Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new, if you are new here, my name is Boki. I hope you like it. I hope you subscribe, and if you have anything to say or to add with regards to what I'm talking about today, please comment down below. I would really like to talk to you guys in the comment section. And thank you so much to the people that have been commenting in my videos, and the small part of you guys who have been liking my videos as well. So yeah.
Sakumele kuthini angiphume emendweni, but also nginayo into yokuthi zikhona mhlawumbe ezinye izinto ezingakuphusha ngempela ukuthi uphume ngoba ubone ukuthi phakathi kokufa nokuphila. Kodwa zikhona ezinye izinto ezingenza ukuthi uhlale nje emendweni, whether uhlela ukhona noma uhlela awukho kodwa uhleli phi emendweni. So angikholelwe ekutheni khona la ngiyakhona.
You see, the one thing that Utanonis Tembu has made me realize is that not everybody in a polygamous marriage is happy. And it's understandable, because how can you be happy if there's 6 of you, 7, 4 of you married to one man who needs to cater to all of your needs, emotionally, physically, mentally, and in all the areas basically. You need that man to cater to those. They're not happy, and so most of them, they stick around because of the stability that comes with most polygamous marriages. Because most people that are into polygamy, I would like to believe that they are financially very well off. So the woman is always taken care of financially, even though they will lack in other areas. Which for me, I feel like those areas are also important. But at the same time, if you are in a polygamous marriage and you are taken care of very well financially, and your man treats you well and everybody else well, it can still be a good thing. When once your man treats everybody else like trash, the way Musa does, I don't think it's worth it. I really don't think it's worth it. I think also the show itself is promoting abuse, emotional abuse, verbal abuse as well. I feel like, because of the things that have been said by Musa on the show and things that have been done by Musa on the show. So, with regards with this thing, I want to talk about Makumalo and why she's not leaving that marriage. Because baby girl has done well for herself. Baby girl is doing well for herself since the show started. I guess I see why Musa is having heart palpitations, because Makumalo is well off. Because he keeps saying that you guys would see, if I leave her, then you will see Uguchi. The only reason she's high up there is because I made her that, which is a lie. You might have contributed to her getting fame, but then you didn't make her anything. Anything that guy abused Makumalo financially, emotionally, and this is just my opinion, by the way, and from watching the show, and Makumalo deserves way more than. Okay, I need to pause because I need to close the window because there's people outside and they are kind of noisy. Anyway, what was I saying? Makumalo needs to leave that man so that we can prove this thing that he's always saying. Oh, that's why she's not gonna leave, because if she leaves, then you guys are gonna see, Uguti, I was the one who was making her better. I was the one who was making her popular. I was the one. You are so old. Isn't that guy like in his 50s? He's so old for saying such stupid things. He is so old. But I feel like with Makumalo, after watching the first episode of Utanonis Tembu online, thank God they are uploading it on YouTube, because then how would I watch it? Because I don't have DSTV. After watching the first episode, I realized that Makumalo can see that the marriage is not going to work. It's not going to work, and she has realized that, and probably sat down with her lawyers and anyone that is relevant to a financial situation, and realize that if she leaves that man, all the millions, because I believe she's made millions, all the millions she's made, she has to share them with Musa. She has to share them with Musa because they are married traditionally, meaning that Musa has a share in each and every one of his wife's money when they leave, especially Makumalo, because from what I've seen, she's the one that is more well off than the other wives. So baby girl is just sitting back and not leaving that man and enjoying her life in the new house, knowing that Musa is not even coming there. So basically to her, Musa is non-existent, but she's going to stay married to him so that she can save her money, she can protect her money. Like, I'm sure there's a man out there who would like and who would be happy with dating Makumalo, even if he's a side person or he's hidden, he's not out in the public. I feel like that is smart. As much as mentally it won't do her much good, but financially, that is the best financial decision she can make for herself, because you don't want to now take your, let's say she has 10 million rands, now Musa must get 5 million rands and go and eat it with his wife after Makumalo has worked so hard for it. No, ma'am, no. I love her for this. I don't like her staying in the marriage because I feel like the guy doesn't love her. The guy liked the fact that he could control Makumalo and he could manipulate her. He could make her do things that no woman should have to do in a marriage or in a relationship for that matter. But now that Makumalo is woken up and doesn't do the things she was doing, supporting each and everybody in that family, financially, including him, now that she's not doing those things, suddenly she's the villain. Suddenly now he doesn't like her. Suddenly Makumalo nokuphakamanyana okuthize. Stay in that marriage, baby girl. We can all see that you are over him. We can all see that basically so shabin now. You don't care about that man, but stay in that marriage to protect your money. Stay in that marriage and don't divorce that man, that boy of a man, because Musa is literally just a boy in a man's body, honestly, because he doesn't want to grow up, he doesn't want to change, he's just weird, Jane. I don't like anything to do with Musa, and I would keep watching just so I can see the wives leave him. He doesn't love them, so what's the point of staying? And if you are someone like Makumalo who is financially stable, there's no reason to stay except if you don't want to lose half of your money, half of your assets because you left the guy. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in the next video.